back to our channel. Today we'll be making some yummy scrummy banana porridge. If you're new here, remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment and share. My mum is in the kitchen with me today. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is wash the bananas, as you don't know where they've been, and then peel.
Bananas are very stainy, so if you choose to put gloves on, you may do so.
Next, cut the banana into small pieces and put them in the blender.
We're not making much porridge today, so we're only using 2 bananas for this.
Pour enough to blend up the bananas, but not too much.
Like some people use, you can use a milk of your choice instead of water. You can use your regular cow's milk, you can use almond milk, whatever milk you want to use. And we're going to use condensed milk to sweeten later. So we're only going to pour a little bit of coconut milk in there, a little bit later on, as we need.
Blend until the bananas are smooth.
Now we're going to check if it's smooth enough.
Light the cooker and then put a little water into the pot.
It's better to have the porridge very thick, and then you can make it thinner by adding liquid later. So don't put too much water into the pot for a start.
Pour the bananas into the pot and stir constantly. still a bit thick, so we're going to add some more liquid.
Don't be in a rush to add too much liquid to the porridge. Do it gradually and check. Give it time to come together before adding more liquid. This consistency looks good. And we're going to add now
a little bit of vanilla extract.
It's
some nutmeg, and some cinnamon.
add cinnamon leaves if you're in Jamaica and if you've got access to them. You could also add cinnamon stick. So cinnamon leaf, cinnamon stick, or cinnamon powder, not all three together, either or. Yes, and your nutmeg, your vanilla, and your almond extract. Just check.
I'm going to add some salt.
For about how many minutes? About 10 minutes. Just leave it there for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes to boil. When we come back, we're going to sweeten and taste. If we need anything else and to make any adjustments, that's when we're going to make the adjustments. If you did accidentally put too much liquid in there and made the porridge too thin, you could correct it by adding a bit of water and flour mixed together to thicken it. But make sure while you're adding the flour and the water mixture in, you're stirring, because that will create lumps if you don't stir. You could also, some people use a little bit of corn flour as well to thicken. The corn flour mixed with a little bit of water to thicken it.
The porridge has been boiling for about 15 minutes, so we're going to add some condensed milk to sweeten it. Now stir.
This is Rachel's favorite porridge, banana porridge and peanut porridge. So I'm sure that she can't wait to taste this one. Looking forward to it, Rachel?
Yes.
That should be fine now. Let's taste. Taste a bit, Rachel. Tell me what you think. Tell me.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Good. So that's the end of the porridge. We're going to now serve it. It is nice. I tasted it and it's yummy. Nice and smooth and silky and tasty. Not too thick. We didn't have to put any flour or corn flour in. We just put the banana. We got the consistency just right. Let's plate it up now. Porridge, nice creamy consistency. Now going into the bowl. Have it. A yummy Jamaican banana porridge. You can also break bread and put into the porridge. It makes it even nicer.